Get ready to give yourself a facelift at home. What's up, you guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Just kidding, this is Nordstrom's beauty channel, and I'm super excited to be here to talk with you about face tools. So one of my favorite face tools is gonna be this bad boy right here. Foreo Luna 3 uses T-Sonic technology. It really gets in there to remove oil, dirt, any sign of makeup, and the best part about it, you guys, it only takes 1 minute. Pair it with your favorite cleanser for a spa day at home. The device is made from silicone, so it won't hold bacteria, and it's waterproof, so it's pretty awesome that you could use it in the shower. An added benefit of using this product is that you can use the other side as a serum infuser. So you can just apply your serum after you've cleansed and just use this side to gently infuse the product more deeply into your skin. It's like a spa day at home. This, you guys, is the NuFACE mini facial contouring device. This device uses microcurrent to stimulate the muscles under the skin to really get those contours. Best if used 3 times a week after you've cleansed and before your skincare routine. The NuFACE helps with the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Use the activating gel primer with the product. What's great is that the gel is leave-on and hydrating. So post-treatment, any remaining product infuses into your skin, adding extra hydrated glow, like you just left the spa. This guy is the BeautyBio Cryo Roller. It's made from professional grade stainless steel, so it's naturally cold, but throwing it in the freezer is like an added shot in your iced coffee. Rolling contours around your face can help with circulation to help give the appearance of firmer, smoother, and naturally glowing skin. Depuff, de-stress, relax. I mean, this thing is incredible, you guys. It is my new obsession.